Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is titled, How to Install GitHub Copilot on VS Code, Step-by-Step Tutorial. Let's get started. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. You can find it by searching for VS Code on Windows, opening it from Applications on Mac, or launching it from your App menu on Linux. Next, open the Extensions panel. Click the Extensions icon on the left side of VS Code, or simply press Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows or Linux, or Command-Shift-X on Mac. In the search bar, type GitHub Copilot. Look for the official extension called GitHub Copilot by GitHub, then click on it. Now, click the Install button. VS Code will download and install the extension automatically. Once the installation is done, you'll be asked to sign in to your GitHub account. Click Sign in to GitHub. A browser window will open, log in, and then click Allow to authorize GitHub Copilot. If you don't have access yet, you may see an option to start a free trial or join the waitlist. Just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. After that, go back to VS Code and reload the window. Press Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P, type Reload Window, and hit Enter. That's it. GitHub Copilot is now installed and ready to use. Open any code file and start typing. Copilot will suggest code automatically. Press Tab to accept a suggestion. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.